In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an event calendar in Confluence. Setting up an event calendar in Confluence is a fantastic way to keep your team organized and on the same page. Whether you're scheduling meetings or marking important deadlines, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's begin by logging into your Confluence account. You'll need to be signed in to access and modify the spaces where you plan to add the calendar. Once you've logged in, navigate to the Confluence space where you'd like to place your calendar. This could be a project space or any particular area in Confluence that your team frequently uses. Next, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll see an option labeled Calendars. Click on this to open the Calendars area. Now you'll want to add a new calendar. Do this by clicking the Add Calendar button. This will start the process of setting up your calendar from scratch. When prompted, choose to create a new calendar. Here you'll enter a descriptive name for your calendar. It's important to select a time zone that matches your team's location or broader organizational needs to ensure everyone is on the same timeline. Once you've filled in these details, go ahead and click Create. With your calendar set up, it's time to start adding events. To do this, simply click on a specific date on the calendar interface. You'll be able to fill in details like the event title. Choose a name that clearly defines the purpose of the meeting or occasion. Then select the event type, whether it's a meeting, a holiday, a project release, or another category that suits the event. It's crucial to specify the start and end date and time for your event. Being accurate with these details ensures all participants are clear on when the event begins and ends. Once you've entered all the necessary information, don't forget to click Save to ensure that your event is logged. To make your calendar more accessible to your team, you should insert it into a Confluence page. Start by editing the page where you want the calendar to be visible. Once in edit mode, type your team calendar into the page editor and select the team calendar macro from the drop-down that appears. You'll then be able to choose the specific calendar you just created from a list of available calendars. Finally, publish the changes to that page. Your newly created event calendar will be embedded and visible there, making it easy for everyone on your team to stay up to date with upcoming events. And that's it. You've successfully created and embedded an event calendar in Confluence. Keeping your calendar updated with upcoming events will help maintain seamless communication and collaboration across your team. Whether you're dealing with a few scheduled meetups or an extensive array of deadlines, this calendar will be a powerful tool in your organizational arsenal.